Okay, hey guys, so I know there's a million videos for makeup out there. I get it. I watch them, I follow them, I love a lot of them. Some of them need some help. I'm not too hip with these crazy eyebrow trends, like the feathered eyebrows. Why you would want to look like that? No idea. No idea. But hey, you do what you feel like you need to do or it feels good. So today I'm going to just do some makeup that is quick and to the point. I am not 20 years old anymore. So as far as drugstore makeup, I love the Covergirl Simply Ageless. I love this. I feel like it does exactly what it says. It lays on top. It doesn't fall into fine lines. I love it. So here we go. We're going to go ahead and we're going to apply. And look, everybody does it different. I don't feel like there's a right and wrong way. There may be a better way. There's probably better ways than I do it. So, but I feel like at the end of the day my way works because I think my makeup is pretty darn good. The part that I apply around my eyes, I will apply it, spread it out, and then I'll put a little more on that area, like around my eyes where I'm like red and look like I'm gonna turn into The Walking Dead. That is the part that I will go back again and leave it sit there for a minute. Like I don't spread it, I don't pat it out or anything like that. I will literally let it sit there and marinate. Like let it sit on your skin. And I feel like it works better because you're not smearing it all off. When you first put it on, you're smearing it. Alright, so I'm going to put a little concealer under my eyes really quick. And this is the LA Girls Pro Concealer. Probably not the right color, but it makes me feel better. So I'm going to put it on. And I'm going to put a little bit down my nose, a little bit on my lip, a little bit on my chin, and a little bit up here. And I'm going to let it sit for a second. So I'm gonna let that sit. So for my eyebrows, Urban Decay, the little brow box, it's not the way, like, I know you see these tutorials where they line it with the pencil and they make it clear and clean, and I have those things. I do. I love this one because it's tricky. Like it makes you look like you did your brows like to the T, and you didn't, because it's literally like the little brush. I want them to look as flawless as I can get them without spending a lot of time on them and like coming back with concealer and highlighter or anything to like clean them up, clean those edges up. And believe it or not, I get compliments on my eyebrows. So I am now going to just do a basic, like nothing special with my eyeshadow. Nothing special at all. I feel like when I put my eyeliner on, it's better when it has a base, and I feel like the eyeshadow gives it a base. So I have a palette that's very inexpensive. It's by Coastal Scents. I have like 4 of them. They have palettes that come in like a million different shades. This is the original palette. There's an ultra shimmer palette, there's a warm palette, there's all kinds. And they're very inexpensive, and they are pretty well pigmented. They do stay. Like, of course, everything stays better with a primer, but again, I'm not doing all that fancy smashy stuff today. We're just gonna put on the makeup and finish. I am gonna start with a lighter color. I always start with a lighter color on the base. Knock off the excess, I always do. And I'm gonna put it over my whole lid. I'm gonna take a crease brush, and I'm going to pick a brown, like something a little darker. So that's gonna be on the other end of the spectrum. So I'm gonna pick this, like, I guess it's like a taupe. I don't even know if that's the right color. I'm saying taupe. I don't know what taupe is. I feel like that's the word for it. All right, so I'm just gonna pat it here in my corner, and I'm going to just do little circles. And where you hold the brush will determine how much comes off. Like it does. If you hold it closer to the tip, it applies more pressure. If you hold it back a little bit, it's a little lighter. All right, so we're putting it in the crease. And we're going, we do the crease, and then I spread it out. Yes, the smudge brush. This is the one I intended. Okay, so now I'm going to take a darker brown, and I didn't show it to you, this next to black, and I'm going to put it right here, right in the crease, where the roots are, where your color develops, I feel like. Ooh. Alright. Alright, so I'm gonna have to clean that up and blend it in. Alright, so I'm gonna leave that there. And then I'm going to take a crease brush, and I'm going to go back to the original brown that I showed you. And I'm just going to just get the corners fully colored. I don't know the correct word for it, so we're just going to make words up. Oh. All right, so now that it's on there, and it's kind of sloppy. It's sloppy, it's not perfect at all. Like, it is not perfect at all. But it's on there. It's we're pulling some color, because this is like a daytime look. I mean, I guess some people don't like go crazy at night either. When I put makeup on, and don't judge me by this, but when I put makeup on to go out, it's like full face. Like, if I could look like a drag queen, I would. Like, I love fake. Probably not a good thing for the girls out there in the world. You're perfect just the way you are. But me, as a woman who is aging, the faker the better. Alright, so, and let's be real, none of us wake up like the way we look at the end of these tutorials. All right, so we're going back with this brush, and you're just gonna blend all that out because we made a mess. I made a mess. And I don't want it to be heavy because that's what I said from the beginning. So, I'm gonna pop a little goldish color on there. I don't know if you can see it, guys. This lighting isn't fantastic, but it's a little gold, it's a little shimmer. What girl doesn't like to sparkle? And I'm putting it all over my lower lid. So, and look, girls, this, God gave you some brushes. God gave you some natural brushes. Use it a little bit. Don't know, it doesn't work all the time, but sometimes your finger is a good little smudger. It smudges that stuff right on out. So, that's what I'm gonna use right now. All right, so go back to your brown and your dark brown. So we're about done with the eyeshadow. Now we are going to put on liquid liner. But how I do mine is I draw the wing first and pray to the good Lord above that they are somewhat symmetrical. Because look, I've seen some eyeliners out there, some liquid liner. It might have just been better to just get a ruler, measure it out, because some's flying high, some's flying low, and that is not attractive. Lord Jesus, give me a steady hand. Make them eyeliners match as well as you can. All right. Not too shabby. Not too shabby. All right. So, again, mascara. I always know how I look because my son will say, he's like, Mom, are you feeling okay? Like, if I don't have makeup on, he thinks I'm sick. Not because I didn't do it and because I'm such a diva that I have to put my makeup on every day. No, because I look sick. So, yeah. All right, guys. That's my eyes. All right, to wrap it up, I put a little bit of contouring blush. Again, drugstore, e.l.f., okay? And put a little bit on. Give me a little tiny bit of color. Look, girls, I get it. It's all about loving yourself in this world because you have to love yourself first before anybody else is going to love you. And if you love yourself, then it doesn't matter. I get it. I love it. I live it. But I have thin lips. I'm going to make them better. There's nothing wrong with us girls doing a little tweak on what we were born with. If it makes you feel good. And then I put my lipstick on. Alright guys, so this is it. This is my simple, easy peasy makeup. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I did. It was fun. And stay tuned. Subscribe. Stay around if you like me. Girls band together. Let's stay together. hit like my video, please. And I will see you guys next time. Maybe next time we'll do something crazy. Maybe next time we'll do something a little more sultry. Let me know. Let me know what you'd like to see, and I'll hook it up for you. All right, guys. See you later.